everyone. I'm Krishna Ghute, a data science student, and recently I had completed my third semester. In the third semester, I had subject of web technology, and in web technology, I had made my first project of my personal portfolio where I had with the where I had made this web-based personal portfolio, and here I had used HTML and CSS languages for the developing this project. So it is a short project which I had made for the experience. Further, I had developed projects in the fourth category. I will explain in the last of video. First, let us see what I had made in this project. So I had made this structure with the help of resume structure, where here is instead of resume, here I had given my name and my educational and my technical specifications. I am data science student and programmer. Here is introduction, professional summary, skills, education, the reference of my teachers for my authentication, and here is my project. So main advantage of these web-based projects are in the normal resume, we just send a PDF where we can't see what projects I had made. But here we can see it on the one click. We just reach to the GitHub where we upload our all projects, and with just one click, we reach here and we can see all the projects we made. So in the backend, it look like this for the this color background and this weights. I had used view CSS. Like there are many terminology in CSS to develop such color and backgrounds, and in the HTML we use headers, sessions. For the paragraph we use this p for the what headings we use h1 to h6, and likewise I made all this project. So there is another mm, advantage, like here I had given my LinkedIn profile button. So on just one click anyone can visit my LinkedIn profile. This is my LinkedIn profile, and such we can make such icons and buttons here, so anybody can access our LinkedIn profile, Instagram, and there is vast use of this web-based portfolios. Like any student can make this web-based portfolio, any CEO of company, any employee of company, politicians, anybody who want to display his information and technical specifications, his information, any blogger. Like there is vast area, like everybody wants that world must know about him, and with the help of this web technology, we can make possible, we can make possible that he can display his information online, and we can upload this on Google also, so as website, so anybody can search our name and see all this information. So I had tell about this four categories. So in the first category, this project come where I use CSS and HTML for developing projects, and this is for the information based projects. Okay, then second category is where I use JavaScript as backend, like HTML and CSS for the front end, and in backend we use JavaScript, and there we can with the help of JavaScript, we can do multiple functions because there is option of functions in the JavaScript, and it enhances the use of HTML and CSS. And then third category where I use PHP as backend. So front end we develop with the help of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and in the backend for the data storage we use PHP. And in fourth category, uh, I integrated web technology and C++. Okay, like I had C++ language in third semester, and my teachers and mentors told me that you have to make a project with the C++. So I had made a project where I integrated web technology and C++. There was no path. uh, I had to try to take help of ChatGPT. I had searches videos on YouTube. I had to take help of Google, but there was no specific path to integrate both these languages like C++ and web technology. But after research and few developments, I made this path possible, and I had developed 4 to 5 projects. Like two, there are two my projects, and I had helped to my friends for other 2 to 3 projects. Okay, I will share in the future that my two projects, how I made it, and I had made a blueprint how to connect C++ backend and web technology frontend. So this was my first project, and I had pushed it on GitHub also, so you can check there also. And this likewise, anybody can make this project or contact me uh, to make such portfolios. Thank you.